It is the endoscopic view of right tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane forms the partition between external auditory canal and the middle ear. It is obliquely set, and as a result, its posterior superior part is more lateral than its anterior inferior part. It is 9 to 10 mm tall, 8 to 9 mm wide, and 0.1 mm thick. Tympanic membrane can be divided into two parts, pars tensa and pars flaccida. Pars tensa forms most of the tympanic membrane. Its periphery is thickened. To form a fibrocartilaginous ring called annulus tympanicus, which fits in a bony tympanic sulcus. This is annulus tympanicus. The central part of the pars tensa is tented inward at a level of tip of malleus called umbo. This is the umbo. A bright cone of light can be seen radiating from the tip of the malleus in the anterior inferior quadrant. This is the cone of light. Now pars flaccida. It is situated above the lateral process of malleus, between notch of Rivinus and anterior and posterior malleolar fold. Annulus tympanicus is absent in pars flaccida. In this tympanic membrane, we can see various of landmark, like this is sandal of malleus. This is the umbo. This is the cone of light in anterior inferior quadrant. This is the lateral process of malleus. This is pars flaccida. This is pars tensa. This is the annulus tympanicus, which surrounds the pars tensa. Tympanic membrane is divided into four quadrants by two imaginary lines. One imaginary line passing through the handle of malleus, one imaginary vertical line passing through the handle of malleus, and another horizontal line which passes perpendicular to the vertical line at the level of umbo. In this way, this divides tympanic membrane into four quadrants. They are anterior superior quadrant, anterior inferior quadrant, posterior superior quadrant, and posterior inferior quadrant. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.